Students, in the previous video you are learned multiplication of algebraic expression. Now division of algebraic expressions. Exercise 3.2. The first two problems are one word question, fill up some true or false, that you have to find yourself. Okay. Now third problem, divide 27y cube by 3y. Second question, divide x cube y square by x square y. Third question, 45x cube y square z power 4 by minus 15xy z. Fourth question, 3xy whole square by 9xy. For a division of algebraic expression, you know the laws of exponents for division, you know, that is x power m by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. When the two expressions in a division, we have to subtract the powers. They have a same base. We have to subtract the powers. Okay, x power m by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. That make remember. Now the first problem, divide 27y cube by 3y. So that is, the given question is rewritten as this form, fraction form. That is 27y cube by 3y. These two have same meaning. It is in a wordings. It is in a symbol format. Okay, it is a division symbol. So that is 27y cube by 3y. So now division format means it is in a fraction form. 1 3 is 3, 9. First you have to make a cancel for the numeral. 1 3 is 3, 9 3s are 27. Then you have to make cancel for the variable. Same variable you have to make cancel. That is the meaning. We have to subtract the powers. So that is 1 time y is there, here 3 times y, 3 times, that is y into y into y. So that is 1 time cancelled, remaining 2. So that is, after cancelling we have 9y square, in the denominator 1, 9y square by 1. What is that meaning? 9y square. Second question is rewritten as this form, divide x cube y square by x square y. That is rewritten as x cube y square by x square y. Here the coefficients are 1. So now we have to make answer for the variable x square, that is x into x. Here x into x into x, 3 times is there. So 2 times cancelled, so remaining 1 time. So you no need to cancel this variable, just you have to cancel the power. Remaining 1 time is there, so you have to make cancel only the powers. Here also the same way. That is one time cancelled, so here 1 2 is there, so 1 you have to subtract, that is 1. Now after cancelling we have xy, that is equal to xy. Third question, divide 45x cube y square z power 4 by minus 15xy z. For coefficients here 45 and minus 15. I am used here 15th table, it is 1 time, it is 3 times. So now x 1 time is there, here 3 times, 1 time cancelled, remaining 2 times. Here 1 time cancelled, remaining 1 time. 1 time cancelled, remaining 3. Have you understood this? 1 time cancelled mean 1 you have to subtract from this power. 3 minus 1, 2. Here 1 time cancelled, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 time cancelled, so that means 4 minus 1, 3. After cancelling we have minus is there, so minus 3 x square y z cube. Y power 1 we have to consider as y. So minus 3 x square y z cube. Fourth question, divide 3xy whole square by 9xy. Whole square in the sense the square is common for these terms. 3 square, x square, y square. 3 square value is 9. 3 square, x square, y square. 3 square value is 9. X square, y square. Divided by 9xy. 9 cancel. 1 time x. Here 1 time cancelled. After that 1 is remaining. 1 time cancelled. So 1 is remaining. So remaining x, y. That is equal to xy. Fourth question. Simplify 3m square by m plus 2m power 4 by m cube. Second question. 14p power 5 cube by 2p square cube minus, here minus is there, okay, for it is minus 12p cube power 4 by 3q square. For it is, what is the difference between the third problem and this problem? Here only one terms, monomial divided by monomial. Here two terms are there. Okay, so that is, first you have to make cancel. For these two you have to make cancel these two, numerator to numerator. First term you have to make cancel, then second term you have to make cancel. You have to add these two, that simplified value. Okay, the same way you have to follow for this second problem also. First question, 3m square by m plus 2m power 4 by m cube. So that is m cancelled one time, that is m into m, one time cancelled. After that, what is that meaning? M power 1. For you have get any confusion, you use that one, otherwise you no need to write. That is m cube, 3 times cancelled, so remaining 1. So that is equal to, after cancelling we have 3m power 1. So that is 3m plus 2m is equal to 3m plus 2m is equal to 5m. Second question, the same way you have to make cancel new first term, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So that is 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. P square, here p power 5 is there, p square 2 times cancelled, so remaining 3. You have to cancel only the power. Q one time cancelled, after cancelling we have 2 times. The same way 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12, q square 2 times is there, here 4 times. So 2 times cancelled, remaining 2. After cancelling we have 7p cube q square minus 4p cube q square. These are like terms, we have to subtract their coefficients. That is 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3p cube q square. Next, fifth question, 32y square minus 8yz by 2y. Divide these two terms by 2y. Divide 4m square n cube plus 16m power 4 n square minus mn by 2mn. Third question, 5xy square minus 18x square y cube plus 6xy by 6xy. 81 into p power 4 q square r cube plus 2p cube q cube r square minus 5p square q square r square by 3p q r whole square. The whole terms divided by this one. Okay. For in the first problem, third problem, we have a one term by one term. For it is two terms by two terms, separate terms. For the same third method is that is first problem 2 terms are there, for here 3 terms are there, for here 3 terms are there, here 1 2 3 terms. For it looks like a big problem, easily we have to solve this problem. First question, given question is rewritten as this form, 32y square minus 8yz by whole divided by 2y. This 2y is common for both the terms. So it is rewritten as 32y square by 2y minus 8yz by 2y. You have to make cancel the numerals first. That is the coefficients. 1 time 16 times. 1 time y is cancelled, so remaining 1 time. Here 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, y cancel. After cancelling we have 16y minus 4z. The second question is rewritten as this form. Now you have to say the given question is rewritten as this form. That is, the whole divided by mn, 2mn is there. That you have to separate it as a 3 terms. That is 4m square n cube by 2mn. 16m power 4 n square by 2mn minus mn by 2mn. That is 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 time m is cancelled, remaining 1. 1 time is cancelled, remaining 2. That is n square. 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. 1 time cancelled, so remaining 3. 1 time cancelled, remaining 1. Now for mn cancelled, m cancelled, n cancelled. After cancelling we have in the numerator 1, denominator 2. So now for after cancelling, for this first term 2mn square. The second denominator 1 is there. Plus 8m cube n power 1, that is n, minus 1 by 2. This is the answer. The third problem, 5xy square minus 18x square y cube plus 6xy whole divided by 6xy. So you have to separate the terms, that is 5x square by 6xy minus 18x square y cube by 6xy plus 6xy by 6xy. Cancelling is possible, you have to make cancel. It is 5, it is 6. Cancelling is not possible. So variable you have to make cancel. X cancel. 1 time y, for 1 time y cancel, remaining 1. 1 6 is 6, 3 6 are 18. X 1 time cancel. So here remaining 1. 1 time cancel, remaining 2. Plus 6 6 cancel, xy cancel. After cancelling, 5 by 6 into y minus 3xy square plus 1, for these two cancel. So that is 5 by 6y minus 3xy square plus 1. This is the answer. Third question, first you write the given question in this form, that is 81 is common for these three terms. For in the denominator 3pq whole square, that is the 81 is there, then you have to find from these three terms any common variables are there. So that means for PQR, for here also we have PQR. So the minimum power you have to consider, you have to take outside. So that is 81 already outside the bracket. So that is 81 into, for P which is the minimum power, P square, so take outside. Then Q which is the minimum power, Q square, take outside. Then R which is the minimum power, R square. Minimum power, have you understood that meaning? Minimum power. Minimum power means commonly you have to check which is the minimum power. Okay. So P square, Q square, R square, take outside. So that is for P square, Q square, 81 already is there. Then taken outside P square, Q square, R square. Then after that P power 4 is there. 2 times taken outside, remaining 2 times, that is P square. Q square already taken outside, so remaining R plus 2 for P square taken outside, so remaining P. Q square taken outside, remaining Q. R square taken outside, that means this place 1 minus this fully taken outside, so remaining minus 5 whole divided by 3 square P square Q square R square. So that is 3 square value 9 P square Q square R square. For cancel, you have to make cancel. 1 time 9, 9 9s are 81. The P square cancel, Q square, R square. After cancelling, we have 9 into P square R plus 2PQ minus 5. Now this 9 you have to take inside, that is 9 P square R plus 18 PQ minus 45. Okay, have you understood this problem? This problem is very important problem, repeated question. Okay.